Hi folks, I'm super excited that the holiday season has rolled around again because the Pampered Chef Pantry has some really exciting products that only come out at Christmas time. And customers wait all year round for this time of the year to roll around because they're available October, November, and December. And what I'm talking about is our Cinnamon Plus, our Courage Cinema, and our Double Strength Madagascar Vanilla. These products are just top of the line. They make your baking smell so good and delicious and gives it that bakery quality of baked goods. So our Double Strength Madagascar Vanilla is pure vanilla. It's in bourbon, and literally when you use it, you use half the amount that you normally would use that the recipe calls for. It's strong, it's pure, and there's no taste that's better than this vanilla. The Cinnamon Plus is one of those spice blends that has the orange peel, the ginger, the cinnamon, all those things that make your holiday baking smell and taste so good. But you know, normally when I'm baking and I run around and I get a jar of this and a jar of this, you know, by the end you've spent so much money on all the individual spices. So if you have any recipe that calls for 2 or more of those ingredients that are in here, you're going to save a ton of money by just using the added value of each of those spices and instead use a scoop or 2 of this as an equivalent quantity. And then the Corinthia Cinema is just one of those top of the line cinnamons that taste really delicious. When I make my hot chocolate, I put on some coconut whipped cream and sprinkle a little of this cinnamon on top, and it just smells good. It makes everything that you eat taste so good. If you have a little bit of fruit cobbler and you want to sprinkle it on top, make your oatmeal, sprinkle a little on top. Everything just tastes that much more decadent when you use one of these pantry items.